Watch my new charm haul. Little ducks. Bumblebees. Eiffel Tower charms. Moon and stars pendants. Tiny shells. Golden sea turtles. Panther charms. Imagine these tiny creatures as a pendant on a necklace, in gold as well. Heart charms. Gold-plated heart locket. Beautiful and practical too, as you can put a photo in it. Bow charms. Rose gold earrings base. Gold-plated earring hoops. Glass strawberries. Gold-plated earring findings. Silver-plated earring findings. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.